This mosque belongs to Muslims, and we are Muslims. And we have every right to come to this mosque and say whatever we have to say. We have been killed, we have been oppressed, and we have to challenge the oppressors. The word criminal in the person of Muhammad Buhari. Yes! To kill 1,000 followers of Sheikh Ibrahim Zakzaki. We are still here, and if you like to come and kill us, we are ready to die. Yes! For your information, young man before me here, I know you are a youth. You should know that you have family. Even if you are not married, you don't have children, you have mother and you have father. You should know that don't allow any criminal, any secondary school dropout. Muhammad Buhari cannot present his secondary school certificate. This is an insult to the whole Nigeria. How can somebody that cannot pass WAEC and NECO, we come and give you order to kill your own citizens because you are fools? You kill them. But for your information, anybody, being you, Chief of Army Staff, from the Chief of Army Staff down to the last corporal of the Nigerian Army, we know the exit and every of you. That is part and parcel of killing our brothers and sisters. We know you, we know your name, we know your family members, we know where you live, we know your office. Bear it at the back of your mind. There must be a day that you face the consequences of killing innocent citizens in Nigeria.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
And the fool, the criminal, in person of Muhammad Buhari, that orders for the killing of innocent citizens. Muhammad Buhari, that collected contract from the leadership of Saudi Arabia. Muhammad Buhari, that collected contract from America to kill his own citizens in Zamfara and other places in the name of Fulani Herdsmen and so-called Boko Haram. To play it at the back of his mind. This thing you are saying, calling yourself as your president, has a time. It is a limited time. In the next 4 years, you may not be at the seat of the presidency. I remember, you claim to come from the north. You come from what you call Daura. There is no way you kill more than 1,000 innocent citizens and go back to Daura and settle after your 8 years of tyranny and oppression and think you will be free. You think you will be free to go to naming ceremony in the north? Do you think you will be free after your president issue to go for a wedding ceremony in the north? Do you think it's free for you to go to police station? It's not possible. You cannot kill 1,000 people and go through. Therefore, make sure we are going to retaliate. A day shall come that we are going to retaliate for whatever you are doing. Sheikh Ibrahim Zakzaki has received. Medical doctors has ordered this government to allow Sheikh Zakzaki for medication. Today is 2 weeks after the submission of the medical report to these useless animals, but they refuse Sheikh Zakzaki medication. Free Sheikh Zakzaki!